Hey everyone, welcome to Texas RV Guys and RV Tech Collision. My name is Joshua Baker and I want to show you this amazing Hydralift that we just installed on this beautiful 2020 King Aire Newmar. And what we're going to do is we're actually going to put this beautiful Polaris side-by-side right up on this lift. Okay, that's the fantastic things about these. If you want to put a motorcycle in the air, a golf cart, a side-by-side, whatever, storage, we can put it up in the air behind your diesel pusher, your Super C, and or your triple axle fifth wheel. Now, they all kind of come with a little bit different options. This is a 48 wide by 74 long, but this particular setup is going to give us a 1,300 pound capacity so that we could put the side-by-side that's under 1,300 pounds up on the lift. These are one of our favorite things that we do here, here at Texas RV Guys and RV Tech Collision. So yeah, I'm excited to show you guys, and if you're interested in getting a lift installed, reach out for a free quote or estimate. All right, next up, we're going to lower the platform. That way we can put our side-by-side up in the air. It's pretty simple. We have a plug-in remote that just plugs into the side. You can remove it, put it in your compartment safely. Very simple triggers, up and down. All right, so we're going to go ahead and lower it. All right, we're ready to load up. Let's go. There you go. It's that easy. Now it's time to strap it down and lift it up so we can hit the road. All right, so we got her on. Now I will have to say, we're doing this for test purpose and show purpose. We do have a bigger platform to help fit this all the way in. You can see it's hanging off a little bit. We do have a longer platform available, but ain't it cool? Man, this thing looks sexy. Now you can drive your vehicle, put your tow bar up underneath, and still tow behind it. So great lift, great lift. All right, as easy as that.